We're starting off with 6 pounds of our chopped hot dogs in our crock pot. Next, I'm coming in with my yellow mustard. We're gonna give this a nice shake, and we're gonna add a generous amount of mustard right into our crock pot with those hot dogs. Now, this is a lot of hot dogs. I have tons of people coming over for a barbecue, so I wanted to make sure that everyone could have a yummy, easy, warm appetizer. Okay, we're almost there. Perfect. That's about half of this bottle. Now I'm coming in with some ketchup, and I am doing the no sugar added. You could do whatever ketchup you like. You could do the simply tomato ketchup so that it has no processed ingredients, but we are just adding up our ketchup in here, just as much ketchup as we did mustard. Now just adjust this to your proportions as you see fit, but I am so excited to get this cooking. All right, beautiful. Now we're coming in with the best seasoning for your dogs, and that is the barbecue rub, and we are going to sprinkle that in there so that we get lots of flavor. Now, if there's anything you don't like that I'm adding into this, you can adjust, and if you want to make your own seasoning blend, you can do that as well, but I think that looks beautiful. Now I'm coming in with my no sugar added Sweet Baby Ray's, and we're gonna add that right into this. You can kind of see what we're going for. Now we are gonna use the whole bottle of barbecue sauce because, I mean, this is the best stuff. You can use whatever barbecue sauce you like. Like I said, everything is customizable, but this is gonna be so great to start off your barbecue, your picnic, your 4th of July party, your summer party, your whatever you're doing. People go crazy for these little bite-sized dogs that anyone can make and everyone can enjoy. All right, I think we're almost emptied out. Just get those last few squirts in there. Perfect. Okay, now call me crazy. I am adding some brown sugar, and I know that might seem a little silly because I did the no sugar added, but brown sugar is in a different league, so that's why we have to opt for the brown sugar instead of the sugar added into that barbecue sauce and that ketchup. And we're just adding a generous amount of our brown sugar. About 1 cup should be plenty, but you know, you can always add more if you like extra sweetness. All right, it is time to mix everything together. And as we mix, if we feel like we need more sauce in here, we can add more, but I think this is gonna be perfectly portioned. This smells good, it looks good. Now I just use your traditional hot dogs, but you could use whatever you like. You could use kielbasa, you could use little smokies, you could use the jumbo wieners, whatever is your preference, go for it and just throw in all of those sauces and it is gonna be a hit. Also, you could do this on the grill for about an hour and it'll be slow roasted on the grill. You could put it in the oven, low and slow at 325 for an hour, but the crock pot is my favorite way to do this, especially if we already have a bunch of things on the grill for our barbecue. This is how you're gonna wanna do it. All right, I think that was the perfect amount of sauce. Wow, I did it again. Thank you. All right, we are gonna put our lid on and we're gonna pop this on high. All right, it's been 3 hours on high. We're gonna go ahead and pop this on a warm and let's check this out. Oh, it smells so good. We're gonna give it a quick little mix. Oh, some of those Smokies got a little sear on them. Not Smokies, hot dogs.
They look like Smokies.
Yeah, they smell so good. I am just so excited. Okay, I think that's just like a quick little mix. You don't need to do too much. And before we dig in, I'm gonna grab my pickles that I have on the side of my crock pot and a toothpick, and we're gonna grab 1 pickle. We just need 1. Right in there. And then it's time to grab a hot dog. And look at that beautiful combination. I mean, come on. We're gonna move a little bit to the side so we don't eat over the crock pot.